Okay. 3-point charges Q1, Q2, and Q3 carrying charges of 6 microcoulombs, negative 3 microcoulombs, and positive 5 microcoulombs respectively are arranged in space as shown in the diagram below. The distance between Q3, Q1, and Q1 is 30 centimeters, and between Q3 and Q2 is 10 centimeters. Now calculate the net force acting on Q due to the presence of Q1 and Q2. So la into ozoyenza, maqala udrowe free diagram bese usikhombisa ukuthi u-Q3 uzokwenze njani uma ngabe bona u-Q1. U-Q3 upositive, u-Q1 upositive. So yena u-Q3 uma ibona u-Q1 uzokwenze njani? Sifuna ukubona i-reaction ka-Q3. Q3 uzobaleka. So bese siyiphi igama lendaba sizothi that is F Q1 on Q3. Sesiphinde siyayibuza u-Q3 uzokwenze njani mayibona u-Q2. Q3 positive, Q2 negative, they will attract each other. So Q3 uzosondela, uzosondela. So this will be F Q2 on Q3. Okay. So calculate the net. So in net yethu izohamba la. That is our net force. So bebengasho ukuthi draw a free body diagram showing all the forces acting on Q3. This is the free body diagram together with labels. Bazoyifuna. So ningashiya amama-ke. So fanele siqale sicalculate u-F Q1 on Q3 olingana no-K Q1 Q3 R squared minus no 9 times 10 to the power of 9. Q1 siyamazi 6 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Q3 siyamazi 5 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Distance between Q1 and Q3 is 30 times 10 to the power of minus 2 all squared. And bayakhohlwa ukufaka squared. Okay, lokhu kuzosinikeza bani?
Sabala. Thola u-3,6 times 10
Times 10
to the power of 0.
the power of 0 newtons. Kahle kahle kusho 3,6 newtons. Okay,
Yes.
size ngapha F Q2 on Q3 is equal to K Q2 Q3 R squared. Okay, 9 times 10 to the power of 9. Q2 3 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Q3 5 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Please ungabafaka o-negative la. Faka iy'namba ze-positive zodwa. Lawa kutshena o-negative uzosebenzisa bona. I-distance between Q2 and Q3 is 10 times 10 to the power of minus 2 all squared. So the answer will be
1,35 times 10 to the power of 1.
Ise-normal ngoba iy'namba ey'ncane. Normal
Alright.
kuzoba
Uh, Imali.
normal.
Phuma yona still.
Kuzoba 1 comma
1, 2, 1 normal.
isho injalo. Ya isho injalo anginankinga. Nginikeza lo oyitholayo lapho.
1,35 times to 10.
Times 10 to the power of 1.
1. Yeah.
Okay. That is 13,5 newtons. Okay, now into engiyifunayo njengamanje fanele si-calculate i-net force angithi. So kufana
Yes.
nokuthi sinaye loya sifuna loya. So sebenzisa i-Pythagoras theorem.
Yes.
Ukuthi F net squared is equal to FQ1 Q3 squared plus FQ2 Q3 squared. Lo uzoba 3,6 all squared plus 13,5 all squared F net squared. Then square root on both sides. F net will be
Equal to 13,97
13,97 newtons.
newtons. Yes.
Ah,
Aye.
similar. But
Yeah.
indlela yokuthola i-direction pattern similar.